News from the Pererenan site. Here we're building a complex of 9 villas with a total area of around 1,000 square meters plus a huge basement. We checked the concrete strength gain. The test device showed that the formwork can already be removed, so we stripped most of it and left only the props under the beams. Everything here has been washed and cleaned up. Whenever we pour any floor slab, we always trowel it smooth because it makes layout work much easier. Here on the slab, we've already marked where the column centerlines should be, where the window should go, where the door should be, and where the walls need to be installed. All of this is done by the surveyors directly on the floor, so it becomes almost impossible to build a wall in the wrong place, and it ensures the walls are perfectly straight. This eliminates a huge number of mistakes. We're also already delivering aerated concrete blocks to the site, and after Lebaran, around the 27th, we'll start building the internal partition walls and filling everything in with aerated concrete. What's happening in the courtyards? All the pools are already finished, and the boundary walls between the villas and the neighboring properties are done as well. Next, we'll begin plastering those walls. Occasion. Let's go downstairs, I'll explain. Here we have a window system 3.8 meters wide. The client wanted it to be 2 sliding panels moving in one direction. That means each panel will weigh around 350 to 400 kilograms. That's because we always use tempered insulated glazing units, and at this size the glass has to be quite thick, which makes it very heavy. To install it here, I think we'll build a kind of custom trolley, load the glazing unit into it through this narrow gap, and then carefully move it into position. Poured parking yesterday. This site is heavily terraced. There's quite a significant slope. Each parking platform is designed for one motorbike, then you go up a step and enter the house itself. The large number of pipes here is because there are a lot of engineering systems running through this area. Rainwater from above drains downward. There will be a shaft here and various other utilities as well. On the first floor, all the walls are complete and are now waiting for plastering. The locations of the air conditioners and the electrical design are still not fully finalized. That matters because if some major service lines need to run through the walls, we need to be able to chase the walls first and then plaster over them. The roof slab has already gained enough strength. We removed the protective film that was keeping moisture from evaporating. There's still no final decision on the roof design. Originally, we made it flat, but local regulations require that part of the roof must be pitched. So most likely, there will be rooftop areas on 2 sides, while these sections will become pitched roof sections. We'll also place the air conditioning units on the roof, but they won't be exposed to direct sunlight. Most likely, they'll sit under the roof structure, so air can still circulate freely. The roof won't fully cover the slab, while at the same time, the intense sun won't overheat the units and reduce their efficiency. A slope screed has already been made on top, directing water toward the drainage system, and it's essential to make this kind of chamfer at the corner. There will be a torch-applied waterproofing membrane here, and this rounded transition is necessary so there's no sharp corner, which makes the system much more reliable. Follow us, lots of interesting content coming.